Hello my friends, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and the Super Spring Decluttering Challenge. I hope you're still with me. We're tackling one small area a day for an entire month and tackling one giant project that's been kind of weighing on you. Have you seen mine? Yeah. It's crazy. I'm working on it though. So today's decluttering area is outerwear and shoes. And I'm putting outerwear in a different category from clothing just because it kind of is a different category. We tend to collect that stuff over time, keeping a lot of jackets for, our whole lives. I still wear a jacket from high school almost every single day in the winter. But I do have a lot of things that I've collected and I just don't need. So grab your decluttering supplies. You'll need a box or a bag for donations, a bag for garbage, recycling. Let's send some of these things out of our homes and to another place where someone can cherish and love and use them. Before we get started, don't forget we have 2 rules. 1, don't declutter other people's stuff. It's just not nice. Set it aside, ask them about it later, or even better, have them join you and do it together. Number 2, do not take out more stuff than you have time to put away. So when I say run around your house and grab all your outerwear so you can pile it together and sort through it, if you don't have more than like 30 minutes, that's probably not the best idea. Maybe just deal with it right there in the closet or in small piles. If you only have 15 minutes, I guarantee you can at least pick out 3 or 4 things that you don't need and make a little bit of extra space in your home. Last thing, every single day this month, I'm giving away a $100 gift card to a local store in your area. You choose the store. This is just to make the challenge a little bit more fun and add that extra incentive. So if you want a chance to win the gift card, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below and I will choose from the comments and post it on the video tomorrow. Okay, outerwear and shoes. Let's go. Okay, so I'm working through this decluttering challenge by focusing on type of thing versus area. Because I find that if you just do an area and you declutter all your jackets, you'll get to another area and there'll be more jackets or more of that similar item and you're kind of starting at square one. So I really find it helpful to assess everything of the same type of item at one time. This is a total KonMari, Marie Kondo, Spark Joy throwback. I just love this method of decluttering. So I'm gonna start in my closet, but I'm going to do one closet, then the entryway, and then the back room, kind of all at the same time. So you might see me switching around a little bit, but it's just because I really wanna get a good idea of what I have and what I can get rid of. Okay, so I'm gonna gather up a couple things from some of those other areas first. All right, so the first thing I grabbed was all of our jackets, snowsuits, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's a lot. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that I live in northern Canada, which gets as cold as -50 in the winter and as hot as +40 centigrade in the summer. It's a difference of 90 degrees. So yeah, we have a lot of outerwear and we kind of need it, but it does also tend to collect because what Canadian doesn't want another jacket? And so it just needs to be sorted through every once in a while. This one is a beautiful down North Face jacket and it doesn't fit me anymore. It's so sad, but it's in really good shape. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe sell it online. Someone will grab this, it's awesome. This is one of my husband's, he's had for 2 years. It still has tags. I'm not going to get rid of it, but I'm gonna ask him about it. A new one of these, so I'm gonna ask him if he still wants this one. Ugh, this mishmash of hangers is the worst. I really like having the same kind of hanger because these kind of get tangled up. These are like more like spring sweater type things. I'm gonna put these in my room. I do use these in the spring a lot. We have matching jackets. How cute are we? Because we were on the same volunteer committee. This one is too small and this one is too small. So those are two easy ones for the thrift store. Okay, I'm gonna tidy this stuff up that needs to go in different places. I want to keep as few things here and as many things where they should be as possible. So I'm gonna tidy this up and then we'll move on to the rest of the outerwear, like mittens and hats and all the shoes and boots and all that stuff. Okay, so this is kind of our corner for mitts and hats and extra shoes and stuff. So I'm just gonna go through. I just wanna make sure anything that's broken or ripped or doesn't fit can go and lead a better life somewhere else. The greatest hat of all time. Diapers, don't need those. Okay, these, I mean, if you live in Canada and you don't have a pair of these, are you even Canadian? There's this little stack of mitts, and I think we have pairs for them somewhere. So I'm gonna start a holding bin for this kind of thing. Things that I know I've seen somewhere else, and then hopefully when I finish the whole declutter, I'll have either found them or I can make a decision about them. But I hate to throw away a little pair of mitts that someone could use or we could use without the other side, because I'll find the other side in this process. But I'm making a commitment to make a decision about them by the end of the whole decluttering thing. These also need friends, and then they can go to the thrift store. Okay, moving on to stage 3, which is shoes. I kind of started a little bit there because there was some of my kids' summer shoes over there and my gardening shoes were there, but I know I want to keep them. Although I did get rid of a couple pairs that have definitely been outgrown and we won't ever get to use again. So I'm just gonna go to all the places in my house where we keep shoes and decide if I want to keep them, decide if there's a place for them in my life. Oh yeah, these have a hole. And rubber boots with a hole aren't really rubber boots. She probably doesn't fit them anymore anyways. Oh, welcome to my closet. Let's go through some of these shoes. In here I have indoor shoes, which I still wear. You can see, like, never been outside. This slipper that I can't find the other one to. I guess it can go in the looking for a friend bin. Oh, these. You know, I think they've just had their last day. These were an incredible $1 garage sale find and they were brand new in the box, but it's time, I think, for a new pair of sandals. Oh, these I don't like. Okay, black boots, which I don't really like, but you know when you just need black closed-toed shoes, so I'm gonna keep them. Sometimes you have to keep things that don't really spark joy because you just, yeah. But I wear them often enough, and if I didn't have them, I'd be frustrated. Oh, look at these. I just bought these at the thrift store. Are they amazing? I'm gonna wear them to the rodeo this year. Not really a lot to get rid of. I think it's really interesting how much easier this is getting year after year. And like, I did a massive declutter before I changed houses. So I really feel like I'm getting to a place where my stuff is all the exact stuff I want. We'll still find stuff, but it's getting there. It's good. All right, so that's it for outerwear and shoes. I do feel like I made some progress. I'm glad I established the looking for a friends bin because I have some other random slippers here and I'm hoping we can find friends for them. But this day didn't take too long. It wasn't too hard for me. I do feel like we're starting to get to a place where we're just having the things we need in this category. So that's good. I hope you made some progress with your outerwear and your shoes and some of your winter clothes, especially as the season changes. Let me know if you made progress below because when you leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, you are entered to win a $100 gift card to a local store in your area of your choice. All right, let's keep this progress rolling. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.